Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. If the iPhone and iPad camera autofocus stop working on your iOS device after or before iOS update, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to force close the camera app and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we move to the second solution. The second solution is launch settings and tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Next, go back to general, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. Here we need to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Next, go back to settings and general and tap iPhone storage, and we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Go back to iPhone home screen, launch the camera app, tap on video, flashlight on, and try to zoom. Then force close all the apps that are running in the background. Settings, general, shutdown. Now drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes. iPhone and will fix your issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.